Here is the question, and here is our mind map approach. We have seen this passage in earlier lessons, and this is the mind map we came up with. Our first bite was the first sentence of the passage. What did it do? It raised a question around whether this scientist can be considered a remarkable one. Our second bite is this part of the passage. What did this bite do? It developed a case for yes as the answer, as in why this scientist should be considered a remarkable one. Then we saw a contrast trigger, followed by what we can consider the last bite of the passage. And what this does is to develop a case for no as the answer, as in why this scientist cannot be considered a remarkable one. We completed the first 4 steps, and now we must go about reading the question stem. What can be inferred about these figures? Cooper is of the opinion that our scientist here cannot be grouped alongside these figures because our scientist did not specialize in a major program in the laboratory, which suggests that these figures must have specialized in such a program. This answer choice says that they did not specialize in such a program, therefore, this is incorrect. The scientists are unwilling to group our scientist alongside these figures. Therefore, these figures are likely to represent a standard that our scientist does not meet. This answer choice can be inferred. Choice C is really interesting. The main point of the passage is whether our scientist can be considered a remarkable one. The scientists are unwilling to group our scientist here alongside these figures for the reasons mentioned later in the passage. Therefore, our scientist does not meet these standards, and these standards must likely be of remarkable scientists. This statement can also be inferred. B and C are the correct answer choices.